Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1966 Chevelle Super Sport. Now this car has had an immaculate frame off rotisserie restoration, and it's done in a gorgeous color combination, as you can see. Now if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway for you as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice that everything on the front is basically brand new, from the chrome to the stainless. It all has a gorgeous shine. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the driver's side, and you see that this body is straight as an arrow. Now as you come on around, you'll notice that all of your stainless around the wheels, down low, around the windows, that it's all just as beautiful as what's on the front. You also notice your door gaps are even and symmetrical. But before we go on around, let's come on up and take a look on the inside. This car features the red interior, which is one of my all-time favorite color combinations. As you can see, it's got bucket seats and console, which houses the 5-speed shifter, and it has a working clock. Looking at the dash, you can see it's been upgraded with digital gauges and the tilt wheel with the wood grain wheel. You can also see that it's got the digital knob radio. It's been upgraded with vintage air, AC, and heat. And as you come on around, you can see the custom door panels, which is a gorgeous touch for this car. You'll also notice the bucket seats that are done in red leather, and we also have the red carpet and the red headliner, which really sets this car off. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how excellent that door shuts and fits. Now as we come across the back, you'll notice that the theme continues, as all the stainless and chrome is beautiful back here. You see we got the Chevelle script with the SS396 badges. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the passenger side, and you'll see that these body lines flow beautifully here from the rear all the way to the front. As you come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can really take in just how beautiful this car is. As you can see, this black paint has been done in the base coat, clear coat, and it's slick as a ribbon. It's set off by the US mag wheels on the corners with a custom set of redline tires. Come on up and we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, you can see it's got a gorgeous detail as it has the slick inner fenders and firewall. You'll also notice that we got the billet hood hinges. Now this car's got a Jerry Wendell built L34 396 engine. It's set up with the correct intake and a Holley carb. As you can see, it's got the front runner system. We've got power steering along with power brakes. You'll also notice that we got a Be Cool radiator with an electric fan. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Super Sport, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this Chevelle up on a lift, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Now that we have this Chevelle up on a lift, you can get a better appreciation for the meticulous work that was done during this frame-off rotisserie resto. The frame was cleaned and powder coated, and all of the floors are done in the slick black paint. You can see that a new gas tank was installed along with new fuel lines. Now into the front, everything is like new, with all of the ball joints and bushings have been replaced, along with the new sway bar. The 396 engine is made of the Tremec 5-speed trans that goes out back to the Moser 12-bolt posi rear end with around a 342 gear. Now for exhaust, it has Sanderson headers with 3-inch stainless pipes, and it also has the electric cutouts and the Pipes Race Pro mufflers. Now out back, it has had a new sway bar installed along with box control arms, and you'll also notice that it's been upgraded with 4-wheel disc brakes on the corners and all new brake lines. Now before we get it down on the highway, let's take one more close look at how gorgeous all the floors and frame are in this Super Sport.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.